Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. So I'm actually about to go to work and I wasn't able to make a video yesterday for today, and I really do apologize because usually I upload 7 a.m. in the morning. But anywho, I actually still wanted to bond with you guys, just talk about life, what's going on, the house update, how's the house, and all of that. It's like we're gonna chill in the room and just talk. So I'm gonna start by using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Basically what I'm doing with this right now is that I'm actually just finishing it up. Have you guys ever heard about the Ulta lawsuit that Ulta was selling used makeup? I want to give my 2 cents on it since the MAC branch that I'm working with is actually inside Ulta. To tell you guys honestly, I really think that, because in our branch we never really do that, like legit resell. No, we do have a bin specifically for returns, and those go straight to damages. Like legit, we never put it out. I don't know what's up with other Ulta branches, but so my thoughts exactly on that is that some people, this happens on the daily, okay? I witness it. I'm there like almost 9 hours every day, so I clearly know what I'm talking about. Like I get the most hours as one of the specialty makeup artists inside there. So my thoughts on that is some people, they do open products that are not testers. And I think one of the reasons why they do that, take note that Ulta, most of the non-prestige items, they really do not have any testers. Some of them, they do have it now, like L'Oreal and Maybelline, but the rest, they really don't have any testers. And if there's a tester, someone would steal it. Not even kidding, like people, there's a lot of people steal testers on the daily. You won't even believe. Like starting from age 15 years old, and seriously. And then when sometimes if there are no testers, what's going to happen is that people are going to be like so curious about it, they're going to open a product and swatch it and put it back. My tip for you guys, so by the way, I'm using the Becca Bright Eyes, the primer, and I love how it makes my under eyes smooth. My tip on that, if you guys are going to buy something, because I do this too. I always buy makeup, girl. Come on. Check if it's sealed, check if it's, not touched. It's okay to open it, but if you are in doubt, like if you are not gonna buy it, like just buy it and then you can always return it, you know what I mean? But it's hard because, there are people like me who doesn't like returning stuff, aside from the fact that I'm lazy. I don't know, it's just not my jam. And like if it doesn't, like I totally understand, But if there's no tester, what I do is that I just pray to the gods, buy it, and pray to the gods that it will work. I think if people would stop stealing testers, then I don't think there will be a problem at all. That's just what I think it is. Because usually prestige items, they're like every little thing in the prestige section area, there's a tester. If there's none, when it runs out, and if there's 5 less stocks, you can't stock it because it's low out of stock, So this is the Makeup Revolution Concealer. Actually using it right now. So how are you guys? How's everything? We have fully adjusted in the house. And we still don't have any sofa. There is no dining table yet. We don't even have any plates yet, because what I'm trying to do is that I wanted to purchase them, like those really good investment ones, not just buy them because they are cheap, because I know that we are going to use it for like a really long time. So this is my makeup routine when I'm rushing, because I only have 20 minutes left. If I'm gonna be doing a dramatic look, I will definitely start on my eyes, but since I am rushing. By the way, this is the Bay Joy brush set. Do you guys remember And I have read that if you use this coupon, you'll be able to buy it 0.99 cents. And I was like, I didn't know that. I was like so busy in life that I wasn't able to get one myself. Because who doesn't want a backup, you know? So you're probably wondering, like, you keep on buying these makeup and shoes, but you don't even want to buy some plates. Because I haven't found those perfect items yet, if I make sense. I don't want to buy it just because it's there. I want to buy it because it's what I really, really, really want, you know? I don't want to be like, oh, too bad, I wish I got that, but I already have a sofa. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's that. Yeah. All right. So the powder that I have used, you're probably wondering, like, oh my gosh, what's that powder? If you're using this type of brush, the powder application will look diffused, but if you want full coverage, use a dense brush, like those super dense ones, like nicely packed, but still you can see that it's so full coverage. This is MAC NC35, NC30. And then the product that I will be using for my brow is this Ulta Brow. I actually got it for a gratis. This is the Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in dark brown. By the way, if you guys go to Ulta, oh my gosh, they legit changed everything. You guys should definitely check it out because they even changed their brush line. There's so many affordable stuff over there that you may like. So I'm just gonna directly put this in. So yeah, if you guys accidentally buy, for you guys to like prevent, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm trying to say is that for you guys to avoid that kind of situation, like buying used makeup, because, you know, it's like, it happens to every store. When you go to Nordstrom, when you go to TJ Maxx, when you go to Burlington, haven't you guys seen that, like, people, it's not open, it's discounted, but people tend to open it because there's no tester? It happens. And believe it or not, there's weird people. Even in my booth, you can't really have nice testers. There's a school near our store, and teenagers steal. Like, seriously, like, teenagers steal. I can remember one time a group of girls, this happened twice, like 2 groups of girls, but different days. This one group huddled in one of the sides of my booth, and they stole 4 full-size highlighters. And then the other one, they stole brow pencils. These are a group of girls, like, I don't know if what's their thing. But then again, you know what? I can remember growing up, my mom is so strict, girl. She would, hold on. All right, awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go to work looking like a freaking mess. If my mom sees me that I have like a new item that she never bought, because she's something else, girl. Like, she will calculate the allowance that she will give to me. She will calculate that and then add that up. And if, like, for example, I have like a new handbag or like a new makeup, she's gonna ask me like, how were you able to afford that? She's gonna ask me that. And then the next thing that she will ask is that if you tell her, like, for example, oh, my friend gave me this as a gift, she's not gonna let it pass, girl. She wants to know who that friend is, and then she's going to keep that in mind. And if that friend goes to my house, goes to our house, gives me a visit, I was like, oh, I really like the gift that you gave to my daughter. You know, she's like that, like super smart. Like, it's crazy. So she checks like, oh, how are you able to get that? La, la, la. You know, that she's not going to go like crazy. She knows, like our parents know. They're not, you know, dumb. So yeah, she's like that. Like, she's on the lookout. And one time, it's not even, I don't really consider it as like stealing. I just really, probably it is, but there was like a coin, like coins in our table, and I badly want this bubble gum. So I took that, and then I bought some bubble gum. So my mom was like wondering like, where'd you get that, you know? And then her coins were missing, and she said, like, in a very calm way, she's like, you know, when you take something, that will go back to you karma 10 times, right? And I was like, but I just wanted a candy. You know, I still remember that to this very day. And if I do something stupid, you'll legit see me in a funeral. Not even kidding. Like, I'm scared. I don't even cuss in front of my parents ever. Like, I cuss here on my channel sometimes, but I'm trying to, like, you know. And then, yeah, it's fun. Kind of miss my mom. She'll visit me here soon, and I'm so excited. So this is what I normally do, just like a brown shade. So of course I put one shade as a base color, but basically I'm just doing a basic brown smoky eye, so at least it's a little, even if it's just 2 shades. And the whole reason why I have set my whole eye area is because this is not gonna blend really nicely if I just put it directly. And then after this, I'm just gonna put on some lashes. If I'm in a rush, I don't put lashes, I don't put like a liquid liner anymore. I feel like my liner game went so down there. It's true that if you don't practice it, you will lose it. All right. So the lashes that I'm going to use right now is the Vegas Nay. It's too bad that I wasn't able to use my Bronze Beauty lashes for like the longest time. I had like I screwed up when I tried to pull the glue out and it ran, so I can't fix that anymore. I just really had to declutter that. So my favorite glue, as always, is the Revlon. Gonna stick it right there. And by the way, thank you guys for always watching my videos. You guys have no idea how appreciative I am. Every time I see a view, I'm happy. And then for my lips, I'm gonna use the MAC Metallic Rose while I'm letting the glue to get tacky. It's very windy and hope I don't freeze to death. Oh my gosh, I have foundation on my nose. Excuse me. All right, now let's apply the lashes. Like, I've been seeing these videos like on the rush, on the go, on the rush makeup tutorial, and I was like, girl, that's like 1 million steps. Like, how is that on the rush? Like, I don't understand. We'll coat it. There you go. And I love this glue because it's doing its job very fast. Now it's time to contour. And I'm using the Hoola bronzer. They're gonna come out with a new one. Every year they kind of release one of these things. Also, I have another exciting video. I mean, for me, it's exciting. For me, it's exciting, okay? I bought shoes from Forever 21. 8 pairs of shoes. Do you know how much it cost? $36. No, it's not a clickbait. It's real. It happened, and I'm still shook at this very moment because I thought that my $9 each for the boots is the best thing that ever happened in my life, but girl, I was wrong. I'll show you what I got and you'll be shooketh to your coreth. But for those people who shop all the time at Forever 21, this is not something new to them. Like, they know the deals, they know what's going on, girl. All right. And when I was buying, the girl was like, girl, you bought the whole store. I was like, if it's affordable, why not? Like, usually I really don't buy anything if it's not on sale. I only buy when it's on sale. There you go. Is our nose pointy already? Perfect. All right, add some blush. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this one and use California. You know what? Let's get Rockateur, whatever. By the way, if you guys find my lights yellowish, I really do apologize. Need to buy good sets of lights. Hopefully when I get out, I don't get shocked. I'm using my iPhone right now because my SLR is low battery, so you're probably wondering like, why does the quality suck? Oh, I have a highlighter here. This is from ABH, from the contour palette. I'm just gonna use that just to add a little oomph. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna go on my own way, okay? And it's really, really nice to talk to you guys. I'm really gonna make... This is from Juice Beauty and I love it. The scent reminds me of the plants when I was young. Alright guys, this is the final makeup look today. Just a classic brown smoky eye with heavy lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think on the comment box down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye!